welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use the low quality camera filter, or also known as the Android camera effect, on TikTok. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video is helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. So this effect basically mimics an Android camera, but in low quality. The quality will be pixelated and blurred. So let me show you how to use this effect. First, open up your TikTok app. Now tap on the plus sign to post a video. Then tap on effects at the bottom left. Next, tap on search icon. Here, search for Android camera. It should look like this. Tap on it. The camera view will be pixelated and you should see poor quality video feed from your camera. Now you can record your video using this filter. And that is how to find the low quality camera filter, or also known as the Android camera effect, on TikTok. And that is how to get the low quality camera filter, or also known as the Android camera effect, on TikTok. If this video was helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.